It's holiday time, and in Louisiana, that means it's gumbo time. Now, this is how we like to make gumbo in my house. This is the ingredients we like, the consistency we like. So, if you don't like that, like Aldo said, argue with your mom. This is the ingredients you need. And yes, we use the Louisiana fish fry packet. Again, argue with your mom. We like it. It tastes good. Start with some chicken broth. We're going to throw some smoked turkey necks up in there. Put some water on top of that, a little chicken bouillon as well. We're going to let that cook for like an hour, hour and a half. Get a little tender. It's going to cook some more in the gumbo. And we're using that broth. Take some andouille sausage and some smoked sausage. Slice that up into little medallions. Stick that to the side. Chop up these ingredients plus celery. I forgot that in the video. In the food processor, all by hand, your choice, and sit that to the side. Brown your cut up sausage in the pan. Make sure you get a little brown. Leave that grease in there. Take it out with a slotted spoon. And we doing some hot sausage. Yes, hot sausage links. Brown it up. It's going to be real greasy. Be careful. Put that on the side. When that's done, let it cool a little bit and slice those up. Also put them on the side. Take your chopped vegetables, cook that in that sausage grease. Let it cook down. Once it get cooked down a little bit, throw your garlic up in there. And then we're going to move that over to the big pot because this little pot I was working in was not enough. You're going to drain your turkey necks. Look at all that delicious broth. And look at those turkey necks. They almost tender. You're going to strain it again. So make sure you get all that mess out. And then we're going to throw some water and some old chicken bouillon in. And then we're going to drop in that gumbo base. Yes, mix that up. Make sure it's all incorporated and let that boil. Once you let it boil and let the seasoning set, throw your sausage in there, and then you're going to season it with your seasoning of choice. But that turkey neck broth has so much flavor, so you don't need that much seasoning. But season it till you like it, and I add some crab oil because I got to. Even though the gumbo packet have flour in it, we're going to make a small roux because we like the way it tastes in the gumbo. It don't take that long with this small roux. You're going to do equal parts flour and oil. Stir that up constantly until it get that nice dark chocolate brown. Put a little liquid in there, and then you're gonna put it in that pot, stir it up real good. You're gonna drop the smoked turkey necks in there, and then it's time for the seafood. These go in last. Throw in your lump crab meat, your Gulf shrimp, season it up a little bit, and then you're gonna throw that in there. I'm talking about seafood last, y'all. They don't take that long. We got these gumbo crabs. Make sure you clean them up real good. We're gonna drop it in there, and then you let this cook for like 30 minutes. You know, let it simmer, get them seasonings set in, and it's gonna be so good. Then you serve that over rice. Some people like potato salad in their gumbo. I like it on the side, not in my gumbo. But look at all them ingredients. That tender turkey neck, the crab, the shrimp, the sausage. It was so good. I got me a little French bread to dip up in there. Then last step, try that gumbo. Too good, y'all.